HUSS launches spectacular and exciting new addition to its product range, the Breakdance 5. Bremen, Germany, October 2021. HUSS Park Attractions GmbH has announced the launch of the Breakdance 5, a brand new, highly innovative landmark attraction, which follows in the footsteps of the original and hugely successful breakdance ride. Officially launched at the recent IAPA Expo Europe in Barcelona, the design of the new Breakdance 5 is based on the secret breakdance formula that was developed for the original ride, which has become the most successful attraction ever created by HUSS. The combination of size, weight, angles, speed and control, the formula, creates a ride experience which is second to none. Incorporating the innovative HUSS operator center stage, multimedia and special effects, the Breakdance 5 provides an outstanding highlight in any attraction landscape and one that will appeal to both families and thrill seekers alike. These unique new elements within the attraction are the main visible difference between the original ride and the new model. The operator center stage is a brand new location for the operator, who becomes part of the ride and the show. Taking charge of the entire ride experience, he is equipped with full show control to allow him to interact with the guests and the ride. All literally from a position in the very center of the attraction. The transition from a classic fairground ride to a landmark park attraction is based on the implementation of a show ride cycle, which starts with a pre-show in the queue line and culminates with the main ride performance itself. The ride cycle continues the storytelling of the attraction and is accompanied by a soundtrack and special effects, optionally using additional multimedia content. The ride features a decagonal main disc with a diameter of less than 18 meters, which carries 5 cross-shaped gyros bearing 4 gondolas, each with a capacity of 2 passengers. The entire ride is built on an incline, so that spectators have a clear view into the heart of the attraction and can clearly see the show cycle. As the rotation on the main disc begins, the gyros perform a counter-rotation, the combination of the main disc slope, gyro movement and weight displacement within the gondolas adding up to a cyclode trajectory, causing them to rock back and forth. The oblique mount and the motion of the ride leads the gondolas to perform unpredictable 360-degree spins, and through a combination of different ride programs, the Breakdance 5 offers both a controlled show ride with numerous stage movements, as well as countless free ride patterns based on pure physics. The Breakdance 5 offers 2 rides in one attraction, with operators able to run 2 different sets of show ride cycles, 6 in total, to provide an all-inclusive family experience or a white-knuckle thrill ride. A 2-lane queuing system optimizes operation and guest flow, while the brand new gondola design offers more room and comfort for riders, along with individual lap bars for each seat, onboard sound system and multimedia and extensive illumination. The gyros themselves feature a new steel structure with an updated design, and with the drive motors located below the main disc, the show area is more airy and visually appealing, while maintaining the feeling of power within the gondolas and reducing noise levels. In total, there are 20 gondolas on the Breakdance 5, providing a maximum rider capacity of 40. Theoretical hourly capacity is 1,200 people, while another benefit of the new attraction is its compact footprint of under 18 meters diameter. A range of additional options is also available, including customized theming and lighting, customized show ride cycle programmed to the client's choice of soundtrack, a multimedia package, special effects, and an innovative loading platform with brand new features. Commenting on the addition of the Breakdance 5 to the company's portfolio, HUSS CEO Mirko J. Schulze said, "The breakdance has been a highlight of our product range for many years and our most successful ride to date. With the introduction of the Breakdance 5, we have brought the concept right up to date with a brand new design and a host of features that add further to an already very popular ride experience. With the different ride programs available, it is suitable for both families and thrill seekers, and we are confident it will prove a popular choice for operators of all types of parks.